Good morning, students, and welcome to the class. Today, we are going to start our English grammar book, and the name of the book is Grammar Zone. This is your English grammar book, and at first, we are going to do chapter number 1, that is a revision part, and the name of the chapter is The Alphabet. The name of the chapter is The Alphabet. And we very well know what are the alphabets. Alphabets are the letters which start from A and end with Z, means total 26 letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, these are the alphabets, and that we can write in two fonts. One is in the capital letters, and the second is in the small letters. Okay, capital A, then it will be the small a. This all you know very well because this is your revision part of your previous classes. So now let's play a game. That is your first exercise in your book. So listen carefully and give me the answers. Okay? So the first question is, it comes before U in the alphabet. Okay students, just tell me what comes before U. U before means पहले. U से just पहले क्या आता है? Yes? Yes, what comes? Very good. T. I have written here because T comes before U. T, then U comes. Means U से पहले क्या आता है? T. The second is, okay, give me the answer fast. Okay. The second question is, it comes after G. Okay, just tell me fast, what comes after G? After means बाद में. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Very good. The right answer is H. Okay, very good. Now the third question. I hope all are enjoying the game. Yes, the third question is, it comes between H and J. Yes, tell me fast, what comes between H and J? Yes, what comes? Oh, very good. H, then I, then J. Then the right answer is I. I, okay? Between means बीच में. H और J के बीच में कौन सा लेटर आता है अल्फ़ाबेट में? Yes, and the answer is I. Now the fourth question. The last letter of the word has. Just tell me fast, what is the last letter in this word has? Yes, the last letter is this, S. The last letter is S. Very good. Now the next question is, it is the first letter of the word first. So just tell what is the first letter of this word. Very good. F. The first letter is F. Very good. After then, the next question. Now just reply me fast. Let's see who will give me the answer very fast. It is in here. It is in HAIR here. It is not in HAIL hail. Oh, let's find the letter which is in the hair but not in the hail. H is here, H is here. A, I. It is in here but not in hail. What is that? Yes, R. Because R is in the hair but not in the hail. The right answer is R. Next, the last letter of the word, seventh, yes, eighth question. The last letter of the word tail. Yes, just tell me fast, what is the last letter? Yes, L. Very good. Now tell me, what is the last letter of the word zero? O. Very good. You are giving very fast answers. Very good. After then, the question number 10 is, it comes before O. Tell me fast, what comes before O? Yes? Wrong? Yes? Yes, this is the right answer. N. M-N-O means before O, N comes. Now the last, no, it's not last, it's second last, question number 11. And question number 11 is the second letter of the alphabet. Okay, tell me fast, what is the second letter in alphabet? A, B. Yes, B is the second letter. A, B, C, D. B is the second letter. And the 12th one is, it is in T-O-O-K, took. It is not in T-O-O-N, tune. Yes, compare both words and tell me what is in this word but not in this word. Yes, the right answer is K. There is K in took but not in tune. Okay, I hope all of you enjoyed this exercise, or we can say this game. Now, whatever we have written here, the answer, we have to find the answer from there and we have to write it here. Number 1, the answer of number 1 we will write here, answer of number 2 we will write here, answer of number 3 we will write here, and answer of number 4 we will write here. Like this we will write here all the answers. Then it will become a secret message. This is a clue. So write all the answers here fast in your book and find the message and tell to me also what is the message here. Okay? After then, this I have taught you. Now this is also a small game for us. Yes. All are ready for the second game? But this time you have to give the answer more quickly. Okay? So, the first is done here for you. Here is written APC. There is no meaning of APC. So, we have to rearrange the letter and make the senseful word. And here is the answer CAP, cap. Yes, here we will write in capital letter and the same here we will write in the small letter. So, now just tell me of second one, UTH. What will be the word here? Rearrange the letters. Yes, very good. HUT, hut. And here we will write small letter HUT, hut. Now the third one, EYK. What will be the new word? The senseful word. Yes, KEY, key. In small letter KEY, key. Very good. Then the next one, GLO. Yes, make the word fast. Yes, let's see who will make the first. This word, GLO. Yes. GLO. What will be the new word? Very good. LOG. LOG, log. Or in the small letter, we will write like this, LOG, log. Okay, after then, the next word, POAS. What will be the word here, POAS? POAS. Okay, I will count till 5 and you have to give the answer, okay? 1, The clock is just running fast. 2, 3. Give the answer fast. 4. And the time up. 5. Yes, the right answer is SOAP, soap. Or I can say in the small letter like this I can write. Now the last is also here but not the least. The sixth one. KCOL. Yes. Again 5 minutes 5 points I have just counting of the watch. Tick tick 1. The clock is running. Tell me the answer fast. Tick tick 2. Tick tick 3. Tick tick 4. Let's tell me fast what will be the word. Very good. Tick tick 5. LOCK, lock. LOCK, lock. Wow, I really enjoy this game. Hope all of you also enjoyed the game. After then, the next topic is dictionary. Dictionary is a name of a book which is full of words. And there are a lot of words in a alphabetical order. डिक्शनरी एक बुक होती है जिसमें बहुत सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं और उसमें वो वर्ड्स अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में अरेंज होते हुए हैं और हमें जिस वर्ड का मीनिंग सर्च करना होता है वी सर्च फ्रॉम देयर. होप एट योर होम ऑल्सो देयर इज़ द डिक्शनरी. Ask to your parents, they will show you surely the book. Which? Dictionary. Okay? In any live class, I will also show you the dictionary. But before this, I want to we will first do this topic. In this topic, again, you have to see the picture and write the name. Okay, just tell me fast, what is this? It is Jess' birthday, so Granny has baked. What is this? Cake. Very good. Mommy has made this for everyone. What is this? Ice cream. Very good. Fastly you are giving me the answers. After then, the next picture is Grandpa is eating. What is this? Burger. BURGER. Next, Papa is pouring in glass. Pouring. What is it pouring? Juice or milk? What is this? Juice or milk? I think this is juice. Is it juice or milk? I don't know. Maybe I am writing here milk. Maybe it is juice or milk. I am not sure about it. So I am writing here milk. Okay. After then, the next is Jay is happy to meet his friends. Then the dash is jumping around the dash. What is this? Dog. And what is this? Table. The dog is jumping around the table. After then, little Sia is playing with what's this? Balloon. I have written all the words here. Now what I have to do? All the words that I have written, जो भी वर्ड्स मैम ने एक्सरसाइज नंबर डी ऊपर वाली एक्सरसाइज में लिखे हैं मुझे वो सब यहाँ अरेंज करनी है अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में. अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर मीन्स जो लेटर अल्फ़ाबेट में पहले आता है वो वर्ड पहले आएगा, जो बाद में आता है वो बाद में आएगा. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. दिस यू जस्ट ट्राई टू डू इट सेल्फ. ये आप खुद करने की कोशिश करेंगे इन योर बुक. एंड डोंट वरी, I will send you the answers. You can check your answers from there. Okay, students? And this all work you have to do in your grammar book only, not in the copy. So, I hope all have enjoyed today's class very much. So, keep enjoying and keep reading. Thank you, students. Goodbye.